Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by making sure Pillow is available because Tkinter's photo image is limited. Once Pillow is installed from PIL import image TK so you can open common formats like PNG or JPG. Next, load the image with image. Open path. If you want predictable scaling, use image. Resize, width, height, image, anti-alias. Make sure the file path is correct. Using a relative path keeps projects portable, while absolute paths avoid confusion during testing. Now you convert and attach the image to a widget. After resizing, make photo equals image TK, photo image image, then create a label root image equals photo or use canvas. Create image x, y, image equals photo. Importantly, keep a reference like label. Image equals photo or a global list so Python won't garbage collect it, otherwise the image disappears. Once done, pack or grid the widget and call root. Update to preview. These steps ensure the image renders reliably in the window. Finish by starting the event loop with root. Main loop, which displays your image and keeps the window responsive. If the image doesn't appear, first verify the path and file format, then confirm you converted to image TK. Photo image and retained a reference. Also check image. Mode, convert modes if needed. If you need consistent display size, use image. Thumbnail or resize before conversion. One key troubleshooting tip: if the image blinks or vanishes, it usually means the photo image object was garbage collected. Store it on the widget or in a variable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.